How to change avatar in Pocket Broker application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in Pocket Broker and want to change your profile avatar, then it is super easy. First of all, open the Pocket Broker app and log into your account. On the home screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. In the expanded menu on the left, tap on Profile. Inside this expanded menu, select Profile once again. This will take you to your profile section where you need to look for this avatar option. Tap on this click or drop image here option right next to avatar and allow access for Pocket Broker to take pictures and record video on your device. Right after you do that, you have this couple of options available. You can tap on the photo option and take a picture of yourself right now, or you can go ahead and look inside the files or photos and video icons and choose a photo that you want to use for your account. After making a selection, click on Done and you will be able to upload your photo. Now, go ahead and adjust the photo inside the screen or the circle and click Save. Now your new profile picture or avatar will be uploaded. Now you can get back to the home screen and you'll find your new avatar. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.